God, I need you. I come to you today feeling unsure of myself, not broken, but a little shaken, and not hopeless, but hesitant. Somewhere along the way, my confidence was chipped away by disappointment, by comparison, and by words spoken over me and words that I began to has replaced boldness and hesitation has replaced trust. So today, God, I ask you to meet me here, not to rush me, not to pressure me, but to restore me. Help me release the need for external validation. Remind me that my worth is not measured by outcomes, approval, or perfection. God, rebuild my confidence from the inside out. Not confidence rooted in pride, but confidence grounded in truth. Remind me who I am when I forget. Remind me of the strength that you placed within me. Remind me that I am capable and worthy and allowed to take up space in this world. God, heal the places where confidence was damaged, where I was dismissed, where I felt overlooked, where I learned to shrink instead of stand. Replace fear with trust. Replace self-doubt with clarity. And replace hesitation with quiet assurance. God, give me the courage to try yet again, to speak yet again, to believe yet again. Help me walk into rooms without questioning whether I belong. Help me make decisions without second-guessing myself. I need you to help me move forward without carrying old insecurities with me. So God, thank you for being patient with this healing process that I'm going through. And thank you for restoring what was worn down inside me. God, thank you. Thank you for reminding me that my confidence can be rebuilt. I place my self-belief, my voice, and my courage in your hands. Amen.